Welcome back to another daily doodle session. I'm going to try and draw a cat stuck in a Christmas tree today. So we're going to start with the tree. Let's do another layer similar to this one, just a little bit bigger. One last layer. Okay, and I'm just going to add the line up here, about there. Right, so then we're going to move on to our cat. So I decided to kind of add half of the cat's head here. Then I'm going to add its paws. Do the same on the other side. Now, I'm going to add the cat's eyes. Nice big eyes here. And just kind of color in most of it. And then we're going to add the cute little nose. There. And just some biscuits on the sides. And just as a finishing touch on the cat, you can add a little clothes there. Okay. Oh, and before I forget, the cat's tail. Right. Okay, and I also wanted to add the star to the very top of our tree. Alright, so then I wanted to add some decoration to the tree. Decided to add a couple of red baubles. And I'm not actually going to add any here, but what I wanted to do was add a few on the floor. And this one's just going to kind of be like half of a bauble. There's the other half. And imagine that there's one flying here. Okay. Going back to the thin marker pen, and I'm just going to draw some outline to my baubles. Doesn't need to be perfect. Now when you do the broken one, just kind of add an uneven area here. Okay, that one's flying. Oh, and what I wanted to also add are these little stars here. Just add a couple. Alright, and that's it. Let me know if you tried it. Let me know if you'd like me to draw anything else, and I hope to see you again soon.